Stitch number 46 and 47 are the mending stitches on this machine. So we've all had it where we've had a little rip or a hole that's opened up in our fabric, and all you need to do is either interface this or put something behind it. Need some stabilizer behind this. And we do want to start kind of in the upper left corner of where that is, and we'll be able to control how long the first length of the mending stitch is. Then we're going to touch the reverse button as indicated on the screen. So I'll touch this button, and then that will set the length, and then it will continue all the way from the left needle position, filling that in to the right needle position, and then it'll stop. Now if that is a hole that is bigger, it will allow us to repeat that same length in the next time we start to sew. So I'll show you what that means. So we can just start. As we start to sew, it doesn't know how long we want this, so we'll just go ahead and stitch a little bit. Touch the reverse button, and then you just gotta sit back and hang out. You can use the start stop button if you want to just have it go right on through there. And then again, it's putting down stitches right over that opening. It's really recreating that fabric. I do like that. So when it gets to the other side, it will end for us. There's the end. And this is highlighted. That's kind of the repeat. So if we just lifted up the foot control and started again, we would see that that would do that same length over if we needed to keep going, because it can only go as wide as the foot. Yes, you usually do see a little bit of an angledness to it as it goes back and forth, but look, it totally covered up the opening that we had done. 47, the mending stitch of 47, will actually stitch like a little bit of a grid, kind of back and forth. So if you had any really frayed out areas, that's nice to stitch, and then it will go back and forth after you've activated the reverse button and fill it all in. So it puts almost like another layer of stitching underneath this in the opposite direction. So don't forget you have mending stitches. Just don't tell anybody you have mending stitches, and you can secretly do this when nobody's looking.